Welcome to Lucky English for Beginners. School is a wonderful environment to practice your language skills, make new friends, and learn about the world. Whether you are in the classroom, the library, or on the playground, these sentences will help you navigate your school day with confidence. In the classroom. I am heading to my classroom for the first lesson. Please open your textbooks to page 55. Does anyone have a question about today's lesson? I am taking notes in my notebook during the lecture. The teacher is writing an important equation on the board. Can you please lend me a pen for this test? I need to finish my homework before the next class. Working in groups helps us learn from each other. I am preparing for the final exams next month. The teacher explained the concept very clearly today. I am raising my hand to ask a question. We are discussing history in our social studies class. Science class is my favorite subject this semester. Please pass this worksheet to the person behind you. I am summarizing the main points of the story. Studying and learning. I am studying hard to improve my grades. I find this subject very interesting and challenging. Let us form a study group for the math project. I am reviewing my notes for the upcoming quiz. Does this answer make sense to you? I need to focus on my writing skills today. Practice is essential for learning a new language. I am looking up new words in the dictionary. Education opens many doors for our future. I enjoy participating in classroom discussions. My teacher gave me positive feedback on my essay. I am double-checking my answers before submission. We are learning how to solve complex problems. I prefer to study in a quiet environment. I have memorized all the necessary vocabulary words. School facilities and activities. The school library is a very quiet place. I am borrowing 2 books from the library today. Let us meet near the cafeteria during lunch break. The science lab has all the equipment we need. I am participating in the after-school sports club. The gym is open for practice this afternoon. We have a school assembly in the main hall. I am heading to the computer lab to type my report. The playground is very crowded during the break. I lost my water bottle in the school hallway. The principal is giving a speech to the students. I am waiting for my friends by the school gate. Our art room is filled with colorful paintings. I am joining the school music band this year. The cafeteria serves healthy meals every day. Socializing and friends. It is nice to see my classmates again. Do you want to study together in the library? What did you think of the math test? I am helping my friend with his homework. We are laughing together during the lunch break. It is fun to talk about our favorite hobbies. I made a new friend in my English class. Let us share our lunch at the table. I really enjoy working on projects with you. We are planning a small party for the teacher. School is more fun when you have friends. I am glad we are in the same class. Can I borrow your notes from yesterday? We are going to the canteen to buy snacks. It is a pleasure to be part of this team. Academic goals and growth. I am working towards getting an A in class. My goal is to become a better writer this year. I am motivated to learn every single day. Every subject teaches me something new and useful. I am very proud of my academic progress. Hard work leads to great success in school. I am building a foundation for my future career. School gives me the chance to explore my interests. I believe that I can achieve my goals. I am always open to learning from others. Education is a journey that I enjoy. I challenge myself to be better each day. I am grateful for the support of my teachers. Success in school requires discipline and focus. I am creating a bright path for myself. I value the knowledge gained in the classroom. I am becoming more confident in my skills. Learning never stops once we leave school. I am very dedicated to my academic journey. I see the potential in my own abilities. School rules and etiquette. Please keep the classroom clean and tidy. We must follow the rules of the school. Raise your hand if you want to speak. Be respectful to your teachers and classmates. We should listen when others are talking. Please arrive at the classroom on time. Do not forget to return the library books. We must keep our voices low in the hallway. It is important to submit work on time. Respecting school property is our responsibility. Let us maintain a peaceful learning environment. We should apologize if we make a mistake. Please ask for permission before leaving the room. Being kind makes the school day better. We value honesty in all our school work. General English practice. I am a student at this school. My favorite subject is English literature. The teacher is very kind and patient. I study hard every single evening. The classroom is bright and comfortable. We have a lot of fun during recess. I keep my books in my school bag. My notebook is full of important notes. We learn new things every day. I enjoy doing math problems in class. The school campus is very large. We wear a clean school uniform. I have many friends in my grade. We study history to understand the past. Science helps us understand the natural world. I take pride in my school work. We listen to the teacher very carefully. The library has many interesting books. I participate in the morning school assembly. We play sports in the school field. I am preparing for my project presentation. My classmates are very helpful and friendly. I love to read during the breaks. We share ideas in group discussions. School is a place of endless learning. I feel happy to learn at school. The teachers encourage us to think deeply. I use the computer to do research. We study different cultures in our lessons. Art class allows us to be creative. I practice English speaking with my friends. The school year is very exciting. I get good grades through dedication. We learn about geography and the world. I enjoy writing stories in class. The school provides many learning opportunities. I am glad to attend this institution. We follow the school schedule daily. I value the education I am receiving. We work together on science experiments. The staff is very helpful to students. I feel prepared for my future career. School helps me develop essential life skills. I am building a future with knowledge. We celebrate our achievements as a class. The school library is quiet and peaceful. I like studying with my friends today. We take exams to test our knowledge. I learn from the mistakes I make. Every lesson is an important step forward. I show up for class with energy. We are learning how to be responsible. My school is a very happy place. I enjoy participating in extra activities. Knowledge is a powerful tool to hold. I focus on my goals at school. The environment is perfect for studies. I am grateful for the school facilities. We learn to solve problems together. School days are memorable and very valuable. I am excited for our class project. My teachers guide us toward success. We gain wisdom from our textbooks. I am a dedicated and curious student. School helps me discover my true interests. I participate in every school event. The hallways are filled with student work. We take care of our school property. Learning English is important for us. I feel empowered by my education today. School is a foundation for our lives. I like the atmosphere of my school. We respect the opinions of our peers. Studying is a habit I am building. I enjoy the challenges of my school. The school schedule keeps us organized daily. I value the friendships made in class. We learn how to work as teams. My school helps me grow as person. I am very proud of my class. Learning gives me a sense of purpose. The classrooms are well equipped today. I am always ready to learn more. School is the start of many dreams. We share a lot of fun together. My academic journey is very important now. I focus on listening during the lessons. We work hard to reach our goals. The school provides a supportive space today. I enjoy reading in the library quiet. We have a great bond with teachers. School teaches us how to think well. I am building my knowledge every day. The science projects are very interesting indeed. I value every hour spent at school. We gain insights into the complex world. My teachers are dedicated to our success. I am consistently doing my homework tasks. School is where I find my curiosity. We celebrate our progress as a group. Learning is a gift to ourselves today. I feel comfortable asking my teachers questions. The school campus is full of life. I enjoy every moment in the classroom. My education is my biggest treasure now. We study history to learn the past. Mathematics helps us develop logical thinking skills. Science allows us to explore nature clearly. Literature expands our imagination and empathy daily. Geography teaches us about the diverse world. Art helps us express our inner feelings. Physical education keeps us active and fit. We learn new languages to connect people. Studying hard is a way to success. I am proud to be a student. My school is a place of discovery. We learn to be patient and kind. The projects help us work as teams. I value the advice from my teachers. We gain wisdom through our daily reading. My classroom is my second home today. I am eager to finish my assignment. We support each other during the exams. Learning at school is a great privilege. I enjoy seeing my friends every day. We prepare for the future with hope. School is where my dreams take flight. I study because I want to learn. The learning process is very rewarding here. I respect my school and its community. We are constantly improving our unique skills. School helps me realize my true potential. I am grateful for the learning atmosphere. We strive for excellence in all work. My academic success is a long journey. We learn from the books we read. School challenges me to do my best. I am thankful for my education today. We build great memories during school time. The library is my favorite study place. I enjoy learning about different global cultures. School life is full of big opportunities. I am focused on my studies always. We practice speaking English during our breaks. My school encourages us to ask questions. I feel confident about my upcoming exams. Learning makes me feel very smart today. We share our knowledge with each other. School provides the tools for our growth. I am proud of what I learned. We value the time with our peers. The lessons are clear and very helpful. I am building a future with confidence. My education is a very beautiful process. We stay motivated throughout the school year. I learn to be a better person. School is a bridge to the future. I enjoy every lesson I learn today. We appreciate the hard work of teachers. Learning brings so much light to life. I am constantly seeking new knowledge daily. School helps me find my own path. We work hard to earn our success. I am very glad to be here. My studies give me much great focus. We celebrate our small academic wins daily. I enjoy the challenges of my school. Learning English is a very fun journey. The school provides a safe space today. I value my time spent on learning. We grow and change through our studies. School is where I feel most inspired. I am learning to lead others well. The knowledge I get is very powerful. We have fun in our school projects. I am proud to be a student. School days are a very special gift. We look forward to our class activities. I study to gain a better world. The classroom is a source of ideas. I value my education and its impact. We gain many skills at our school. Learning at school is a great joy. I am building my confidence through study. We share laughter with our school friends. My teachers guide us with great care. I find school very interesting and fun. We work to achieve our shared goals. My learning journey is very meaningful now. I enjoy the challenge of my lessons. School prepares us for the world ahead. We value our school as a community. I am becoming more knowledgeable every day. Learning makes me feel capable and bright. We are building a future with hope. I enjoy my time in the library. School teaches us about values and life. I study hard for my bright future. We feel strong in our class community. Learning opens my mind to new ideas. I am a very dedicated school student. We find joy in our daily studies. School is a great start for all. I value everything I learn at school. Every day at school is a progress.